Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Our Little Happiness. This is me, Elena, with you. So today's video is actually going to be a vlog of my cousin's betrothal, and I'll be shooting this entire day. And yeah, I just woke up right now. I'm still on my bed because I slept very late. It's going to be 10, and I need to get a head bath very quickly because my hair was all frizzy yesterday, and yeah, my mom applied aloe vera gel all over my hair, so I need to take a head bath very quickly. So I'm going for that, and I've got so much of things to get done. I hope you'll enjoy this vlog. And yeah, I'm so excited for today's day because it's my cousin's betrothal. Like, though he's my cousin, he's literally my own brother. Like, he's the one whom I always reach to whenever I need any help. And yeah, one more reason is that, like, this is like they have started their relationship in 2008, and now it's 2021. Like, it's 13-year long relationship. So I hope you can understand the intensity of their relationship. Like, so I'm so very much excited for them, and I hope all your wishes and prayers will be with them. And yeah, I've got so much of things to get done, and yeah, I'm literally vlogging this because I need to make memories out of this. So that's the reason why I'm vlogging this, and I hope you all will enjoy watching this. So that's it. Yes, let's quickly get on to our day. So, the very first thing that I'll do is that I'll put my hair into a messy one. And here comes the most important thing that I'll do every day, that is to arrange my bed. So, only if I do this, I'll actually get the energy to do more tasks or like indulge into activities that I like. And in case if I miss to do this, like, these days, like it's becoming very cold day by day. It's raining heavily, and in case if I don't do this, I'll end up in bed, like just doing the task or just completing the task which is of highly important. I highly recommend you also to practice doing this if you're not into the habit of making your bed after waking up. And I'm pretty sure you also will feel the difference. And yeah, definitely come and comment in the comment box right below. I'll be waiting for it, okay? And I always remember to keep my body hydrated. And I also recommend to all women out there, you must always keep your body hydrated, else there is actually a very high risk for you to caught up with this urinary infection. And then, if you're actually following this channel for a quite a long time, you might be knowing that I'm a person who always keep a track on the things that I've done, as well as I always note down the things that I have to do every day. And I was going through the things that I'm supposed to do today or supposed to complete today. And yes, now I'm all set for the day. I had my breakfast, I actually took a bath, and right now I'm actually posting on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me right there, because I'm a person who love to post in front of cameras, and I just love to be in front of camera. So I'm a person who regularly posts there. Then I was actually going through the basics of my civil engineering because I have an interview in the next week. So I was just going through the basics of my subjects. So yes, I'm feeling very sleepy because it's after a very long time. I'm studying something. I'm opening a book, and since my marriage, I haven't ever opened any book for any type of reference. With the hope that I'll be going soon and joining my husband. But unfortunately, it didn't happen because of this pandemic. So yes, it's after a very long time I'm opening a book, and now I feel very sleepy. So I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee, and yeah, probably I won't be having any lunch because I'm going to make my tummy empty. Otherwise, I won't go there and have food. So yes, let's make coffee and come. Hi, Mutama.
Hi.
You want to tell something? I'm actually taking a vlog of this day.
Oh, day in my life.
ഡേ മൈ ലൈഫ് അല്ല, എല്ലാം കൂടെ ഗെറ്റിംഗ് എ തിങ്സ് ഡൺ എല്ലാം.
ഞാൻ ചുമ്മാ അവിടെ ചോക്ലേറ്റ് കഴിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു because Alexandra got chocolates. അപ്പം I'm having that. When I,
Alexander is one of our cousin brother
yeah.
who didn't attend my wedding, but he's attending all the other cousins' wedding.
Stop, okay.
Anyway, I'll show him. Okay, I'll show him. Don't worry.
Oh my god,
So
you have been
yes.
telling this for the past 1 year.
Okay. Anyways, so
She
Mutma, you
goes
need.
behind him and tell, I don't have any problem, okay? എനിക്ക് പരാതിയില്ല പരിഭവമില്ല and everything will be shown on her
I'll
face.
just pull his legs whenever I.
She leaves his brains.
Mutma, you need
Happy
anything?
Diwali.
Hap. Okay. when this vlog is out, and Diwali.
Anyways, the engagement will also be over now.
Yes. Okay. So I'm
So
going to make
I'm going to
coffee.
take bath.
I'm going to make coffee for everyone. And yes, I tried this Tim Hortons French vanilla cappuccino. I'm trying this flavor of them for the very first time, and it's very easy to prepare. You just wanna boil the milk and add this powder to it. That's it. You're done. And yeah, I just loved it. And for me, it tasted better when it was cooled down. But it totally depends on your taste. Then I continued reading the book which I was reading named Life's Amazing Fact by Gaur Gopal Das. He's a monk, he's a motivational speaker. Until now, the book is amazing. But I haven't finished reading it just because of which I'm not a bookworm and I can't actually finish it in one sitting. But if you want to know about the updates and stuffs, you can actually follow me on Instagram. I'll definitely keep you an update over there. Then I applied grey color nail polish, which is exactly the color of my dress. So yes, we all are ready, and I'll show you my final outfit when I reach there because we all are in a hurry burry right now. So this is the dress that I wore, pastel green A-line cut skirt with a high neck crop top. I accessorized it with silver jewelries and got it stitched from Naina's boutique. everyone. I hope you all enjoyed watching this, my cousin's betrothal. I know I haven't done much because I've planned for so many things. Like, I really wanted to complete some portion for my Monday's exam because I have one exam on Monday and I really wanted to complete some portions, but I didn't do that. I really want to create a content for my next video, upcoming video. I didn't do that also. So many works are pending, but I'm not gonna do right now because I'm so very much tired. But the function was super awesome. But yeah, I couldn't actually shoot much because it was I tried shooting a lot many things, but yeah, all the important stuffs. But yeah, I couldn't actually hold the camera every time and then shoot because I really wanted to be there rather than actually shooting all the stuffs. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed watching this vlog. But okay, here comes the important part. I need everyone's wishes and blessings to be with my Thomas Edens and Harsheji's wedding, and they are actually gonna make that official. Like, their 13 years of their love life is gonna be official, and I'm so much happy for them. So I need everyone's, each and everyone's prayers as well as blessings with them. Right now it's actually 12 o'clock and I just wanted to end this vlog. That's the reason I'm actually wrapping it up. So that's it. Bye bye. Stay safe, everyone.